Hey guys, Ratan here. Welcome to my channel, The Daru TV. Hope you guys are doing great and safe. So, as you know, it's been more than 14 days I have not uploaded any video. So, due to this COVID situation, it is very risky to go out and buy those liquors to do reviews. But no worries, I have got few stocks, so I'll be doing it soon. And right now, I have a product from Arnate. So they have sent me a box, sample box of blended water. So what they say is mixing this water with alcohol, it makes the alcohol very smooth and you get a lot of flavors. So let's see if their claims are right or wrong. Are you guys ready? Let's get started. So I'll be testing this blended water with our normal drinking water. So I'll test this with this Infinity bottle. Basically, it is a mixture of a lot of blended and single malts, and also I'll be testing it with our favorite Old Monk. So basically, what is one peg? So when I spoke to the founder, so he told me it is not a filtered water. He told me it is kind of a blended water. So they have not told me like how they make it, but what they claim is once you add this to your alcohol, it actually makes the alcohol very smooth and you get a lot of flavors. Let's just taste it as it is. Let's see what the color is. Basically, it is a transparent. It's basically, yeah, looks like water. And let's taste our normal one. Let's see what are the differences. So this is one peg water. This actually tastes different. It is not like some normal water. I don't know, but it really doesn't taste like a mineral water also. It is kind of different. Surely this is different, yeah. So the ratio they say is 1:2, which is 1 is basically the alcohol and 2 is the water. So let's pour one peg for each. So 30 ml, and let's pour 60 ml of one peg. And 60 ml of our normal water. Let's do the nose in. I have no difference, like both smells the same, I think. Let's do the tasting. Cheers. This is one peg. This is just water. Yes, you get a light difference. It is not a huge difference. You get a bit of light thing. Like this is a bit smoother than the normal water. I don't know how this happens, but surely this is a bit smoother, but it is not a lot of difference. But yes, what they claim is this smoothens the alcohol. Yes, it smoothens, but not a lot, because for whiskey I actually like it neat or with ice, but with this water I think it mellows down the harshness a bit, and this is the normal thing which we drink. Not much. The difference is minute. Let's move on to our next drink, that is Old Monk. Like many tell me Old Monk is very harsh on the throat. Let's see if One Peg works on it. So here I have a Tetra Pak, nice one. We'll pour like 30 ml of it. Okay, then we'll have a taste test. This is One Peg. This is kind of normal Old Monk taste what I usually get. Let's try the normal water with normal water. So regarding One Peg, what I can tell is, yes, the alcohol level, the harshness comes a bit down. This is our normal Old Monk which we drink, but it's not a lot. I think it is just a bit, and the pricing for this is around 90 rupees for 500 ml. I don't think it is worth, because this was a free sample given to me by One Peg. They wanted me to review, so this is an unbiased review. This product is basically for them who are starting with the alcohol, who wants their rum or whiskey to be diluted and who wants that harshness to go down. I'm sure that it doesn't go down a lot. It is a bit, for first time drinkers, I don't think they will notice it. But for experienced drinkers who drink regularly, who know about their alcohol, the whiskey, they would know a bit about the differences about that. That's it. And as I told you, it's 500 for 500 liter and free for your filtered water. I would rather go with our free mineral water or home water. For me, it doesn't make any sense of adding One Peg. I'm sorry guys, I know you guys send me a free sample to me and to review this. Just add regular water, you'll get the same taste. If you add this, you might get a little bit of difference, not much. And if you really want to try this One Peg, I'll put this link below. You guys can purchase it over there, try it. That's it for today guys. If you like my video, like it, share it, and also do subscribe my channel. And till next time, this is One Peg. Cheers and drink responsibly.